Okay, the Ti-Muses, Tiamat, I don't know, true wireless earbuds. We're gonna check them out. Let's get into this unboxing. But wait a minute, before I do, got some tech specs that are pretty easy to see. Bluetooth 4.2, 60 milliamp battery, charging case is 1,000 milliamps, charging time 2 hours, standby time is 100 hours, talk time is 2 hours, play time is 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so, well, let's just consider these workout earbuds. You know what? When it comes to battery life on these true wireless earbuds, I don't think anything over 4 hours. I think 4 hours is kind of stretching it, man. These things are so tiny, I don't think you can squeeze that much playtime in there. But we'll see, technology will get better. But for now, we got 2 to 3 hours. Let's get into this thing, man. Ooh, this is a nice unboxing experience, man. It's a nice solid box. Let's see, you got this, what is this, thank you card? Yep, thank you. Thank you. Are you happy? Not happy? Tell us about it. So let's just pull out the accessories real quick. Let's see what's in here. Okay, it kind of tells you got some earbuds, or not earbuds, but tips. Got some, okay, so you got a flat USB charging cable, USB, micro USB, and then you have ear tips, small, medium, and large. Let's see what's on here before I have to go change it. Aha, okay, so this is a different case. Man, this case is, this is a cylinder case, and it looks like they're charging right now. I see 4 blue LEDs right there, and some red dots. So there's some activity going on in here. Oh, wait a minute, okay, it's a magnetic top. You know, let me clean up. I'm getting all stressed out. Let me clean up a little bit. Okay, let's put that over there. Show that box of respect. Put my phone right here. Let's look at these things, man. Huh, they look like little peanuts, like black peanuts. Very cool. Okay, so they have the small ear tips on them, and they are branded left and right. I had some headphones in here once that were not branded left or right, and that kind of bothered me. So you got the left and right branding on these. Let me try these on with these small ear tips just to see how they feel. But how do they go in? Let me see. Okay, they go in up. You got to put them up. Okay, that's just too small. Let's change these out real quick. Okay, got my large ear tips in there for my massive ear holes. Let me see if they feel, yes. Yes. Okay. I don't know if they stick out or not, but they feel pretty comfortable, very comfortable. So let's fire these things up, get them paired up. They have LED lights on them. I saw earlier I saw kind of a logo or something. Let me see. Okay, so they fit in just like this, and once you squeeze them in there, that logo actually shines. It's that red LED. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a red logo in there. It's the Ti-Muses logo that blazes through in red. That is so cool, man. Okay, so let's fire these things up, get them paired up. It looks like they're fully charged. Let me go into my settings there. Let me get the right and the right, left and the left. We'll see which one is the dominant one. On. Okay, so everything's connected. Let me scan. It goes into pairing mode automatically. That's nice. Or is it trying to look for the other one? It said they were both connected. Okay, I see it. WA1. Okay, that was easy. It's pairing right now. It's pairing successful. Sounds like the left one is the dominant earbud. Okay, so all you do is turn them on. You turn them both on. They pair to each other, and then the left one takes over. It's the dominant one. So chances are, if you want to make a phone call or something, it's going to be in the left ear. And yeah, that's the dominant earbud. So let's play some Schoolboy Q Studio. All right. Man, hold on, let me adjust these. Okay, hold on, let me back this up. Man. That first bass drop on this song. Whoo. No way. Dang. All right, I'm gonna test something out before I say something. Okay, make sure they're right. I think they go this way. I wanna see if they turn off when you put them in here in the charger. They're disconnected. So once you put them back in the charger, they're disconnected. Okay, I was looking for that. Now let me test one more thing out, because when you take them out, if you have to turn them on, that's kind of an inconvenience. Hopefully they turn on when you take them out. Oh man. Yeah, you gotta turn them on when you take them out. They don't. Yeah, you gotta turn them on when you take them out. You gotta turn both of them on. Yeah, you gotta turn both of these on. But the fact that they actually turn off without you doing anything is actually kind of slick. Okay. I'm gonna do another sound test. But on that Schoolboy Q, when you got hip hop playing, the bass hits hard. I'm gonna tell you right now, I ain't never heard no bass come out of some true wireless earbuds like this. That bass hit hard. So I gotta do another sound test. I was so overwhelmed by the bass, I just forgot about mids and highs. So let me do this one more time. Let me do it one more time. It's kind of hard to find that button. I can find it on the right one, but the left one, oh, there it is. Okay. And I hate having to push that button because you push it all in your ear. All right, they're all connected and whatnot. Hey, just a fine adjustment. Yes. Damn. Okay. Man, the only thing that, I mean, 2 to 3 hours worth of battery life, I'm okay with that. I mean, it is what it is. It's a small package, but these things, they get loud and they're super bass heavy. But it's good, clean sound, man. You got a good overall sound. Signature. The bass isn't muddy, or the highs aren't muddy, and the mids aren't muddy. It's a balanced sound, but it's the bass thumps hard. It's probably because these things are so big. These are actually bigger than your average true wireless earbud, I think. Man, the drivers must be huge somewhere in this shell right here. It must be a big old driver or something. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I don't expect too much, man. When I see smaller companies doing stuff, I don't expect a whole lot. You get what you get. But man, these pack a punch. These sound fantastic. Oh man, my only gripe would be that if when you pull them out, they actually turn on. That'd be my only gripe. You can play and pause with the power button, and they do turn off automatically when you put them in the charger and they actually connect. So you can't just set them in here. You gotta actually let that magnetic closure push them down in there just enough, and then it starts to charge. And you can see your LEDs right there. So they turn off automatically and they disconnect. They just don't turn on automatically. That'd be my only gripe right now. As far as volume, like I said, I've always wanted volume controls on wireless earbuds, but small package, man, you get what you get. But you could turn these things up on your phone and they sound fantastic. I didn't even have to EQ. I mean, I usually have to EQ something, man. I had everything on normal, and hey, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff, but these things jam hard. If you are in the market for some true wireless earbuds, you will not be sorry for picking these up. But remember, you got that 2 to 3 hour battery life on these, but you get a whole bunch of charges out of this case. But you need to definitely tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.